Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Elena Fergaman. In this tutorial we will combine bubbles and lace to achieve this beautiful pattern. To begin, create a slip knot and chain 26 stitches. After completing 26 stitches, chain 5 to begin new row and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into 8th stitch from the hook. Chain 3, skip 2 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch. Again chain 3, skip 2 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns. Continue with the pattern to the end of the row. To begin a new row, chain 1 and turn your work and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into a second stitch from the hook. Chain 3 and now we will have to work 5 times double crochet UK turns or 5 times double crochet US turns around 3 chain stitches. After completing your 5th stitch, insert your hook and first treble crochet UK stitch or double US stitch. I usually give an extra stitch to secure the bubble. Now chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns around the next 3 chain stitches. Chain 3 and work 5 treble crochet UK turns or 5 double crochet US turns around 3 chain stitches. After you have completed your 5 treble UK or double US, we're going to create again a popcorn stitch. Chain 3 and continue with the pattern to the end of the row. After completing your bubble stitch or popcorn stitch, chain 3 and you need to find the 5th stitch from the crochet stitch. You can count your bumps or you can turn and count your chains. And work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns. To begin a new row, chain 5 and turn your work and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns around the first 3 chain stitches. Chain 3 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns around another 3 chain stitches. Chain 3 and continue with the pattern to the end of the row. When you come to the end of the row, finish with 1 treble crochet UK turns, so 1 double crochet US turns and 2 stitch. To begin a new row, chain 6. Turn your work and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around 3 chain stitches. Chain 3 and work 5 times treble crochet UK turn, so 5 times double crochet US turns around 3 chain stitches. Insert your hook into first stitch. And work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns around another 3 chain stitches. Continue with the pattern to the end of the row. When you come to the end of the row, find your third stitch from the bottom up and finish with 1 treble crochet UK turns, so 1 double crochet US turns. If you look at the pattern diagram, you can see that rows are starting to repeat. Continue working on the example. Thank you for watching. I hope you've had great experience. For those who are new to my channel, if you'd like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.